welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to install a roof spoiler. So I got myself a roof spoiler that comes on vxline. This one is a replica of the original one. It's made out of plastic. This is how it looks on the back, already painted black. So I'll go for a black roof, and I'm not painting this one. So let's install it. So I'll be using double-sided tape, and I marked it on the car. Put some tape where it should come, all around the edges of the roof spoiler. This is how it should fit. As you can see, I've added plenty of tape to hold it in place. I'm gonna leave it for 1-2 days and it should be fine. I removed the tape, and as you can see here, it's not sticking, and on the other side as well. This was because it started raining after a couple hours of fitting it, but I'm gonna clamp it and use some silicone, and it should be fine on the corners. It's a pretty good fit. I'm pretty happy with the result. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and see you on the next one.